driving around Okaloosa County, you might see vehicles like this one with the county logo. The county maintains over 700 pieces of equipment, and that includes 350 vehicles. These are vehicles that provide much needed services to you, the citizen, like ambulances, water and sewer trucks, beach safety ATVs, and many more. Like all machinery that's used on a regular basis, it will inevitably break down. So the folks at Fleet Maintenance are tasked with fixing these vehicles, and as Jack Allen, Fleet Division Manager, said to me, life is sweet at Fleet.
Well, most of them, if they're not working here, they have little side jobs they do anyway with mechanicing and technician work, so it's in their blood. We've been fortunate to hire some folks that have worked on the commercial side, and one thing that they've told me coming to Fleet here, it's more of a relaxed environment because we're not pushing for dollars, so to speak. We do have a mission to get the vehicles in and out, but you're not competing against the commercial side of the business, so it's less stressful for them, and they're able to focus on the task at hand. I like it because it's a division that can just take care of its own niche. We do what we do. We're the only department in the county that works on the vehicles, and we have mobile technicians out in the field as well. So we try to cover from coast to the state line.